A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and this video is a continuation of the previous one in which we are going to see the important grammar rules for English for IBPS AFO, NABARD, FCI and RRB examination, and this video is a part 2 of that. Come on, let's get into the video. Coming to the first thing, we all know that in subject we are having first person, second person and then third person. First person refers to I and second person is you and third person is he, she, it, they, anything. If all the three persons are coming in the same sentence, then we should follow 2-3-1 rule, which means second person will come first, followed by the third person, and finally comes the first person. This rule is suitable for all the normal idea, but in case of any mistake or fault expression or guilt confession, as it is a negative idea, we have to follow the 1-2-3 order. We can see an example for that. Yes, you, he and I have finished the work. Actually, finishing a work is a normal idea. So there we have followed 2-3-1 rule. But I, you and E are to blame. Yes, there they are confessing a mistake or they are doing a fault or they are in the confession of a guilt. So there in that negative idea, we have to follow 1-2-3 rule. I repeat once again, if all the three persons are coming in the same sentence, we have to follow 2-3-1 rule if it is a normal idea. For example, you, he and I have finished the work, and it should not be he, you, I or I, he, you. It should be 2-3-1. But in case of confession of a mistake, fault or guilt, as it is a negative idea, we have to follow the order of 1-2-3. For example, I, you and he are to blame, and it should not be you, I, he or E, you, I. So you have to follow this. Coming to the next, normally than is used in comparative degree, but with the words like superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior, anterior, posterior and prefer, there you should not use than. Instead of than, you have to use the preposition to. We can see an example. Sarah is junior than Neeta is found to be wrong. Instead, we have to write it as Sarah is junior to Neeta. Likewise, I prefer reading than walking. It is incorrect, whereas I prefer reading to walking is correct. You have to remember all these words. While seeing these words, you have to write to instead of than. Coming to the next, many year. This word is always followed by singular verb. Yes, many a student were drowned is wrong, but many a student was drowned in the river is correct. Many a is always followed by singular verb. And you have to note one more important thing. This many a is followed by singular, not plural. As the article a is here, we have to use student instead of students, and it should be followed by singular verb. Remember that. Coming to the next, the use of each other and one another. Yes, each other is used between two persons, whereas one another is used when there is more than two persons. We can see examples for that. The two brothers disliked each other. Romeo and Juliet loved each other. The two children quarreled with each other. And we can see example for one another. Good boys do not quarrel with one another, and it is not each other. We have to use each other only between two persons, but in case of more than two persons, we have to use one another. Coming to the next, the usage of who, whom, and whose. Yes, who should be used in nominative case, that is, those representing the subjects. Likewise, whom should be used in objective case where it represents the object, and whose should be given in the place where it takes possessive case. We can see example for that. Shika is the student who got an award. If we make pattern in the sentence, Shika is the subject, is the verb, and the student is the object. Yes, here award has been given to Shika. So it is representing the subject. So we have to use who. Okay. Likewise, if we make sentence pattern here, they is the subject, are is the verb, and thieves is the object. Here, they are the thieves whom the police caught. The police caught whom? The thieves. Here, this police caught is representing the thieves, which is the object of the sentence. So, while representing the objective case, we have to use whom. Coming to the next, this is the student whose certificates are lost. Here, whose is used because it represents the certificates which is possessed by the student. So, as it represents the possessive case, we have to use whose. Okay. Coming to the next, it is the use of each of the. It is similar to none of the, both of the, and also the one of the, which we have seen in the previous video itself. Yes, this none of the, one of the, each of the should be followed by plural, but the verbs should be singular, and the representing words also should be singular. Yes, it should not be each of the six boy. It should be each of the six boys, and it should be has, and it should not be have. Likewise, it is not their tasks. It is his task because it represents only one of the boys in the class. Okay, it is applicable to all, each of the, none of the, one of the. Okay. Coming to the next, it is the use of the words elder and older. Yes, elder is used in case of same family members, while older is used for common purpose. We can see example for that. Rohan is older than all the other boys of this area. It is correct. But in case of Sabu is my older brother, it is wrong as it is used within the family. If it is used within the family, we have to use the word elder, and it should not be older. Sabu is my elder brother is the correct sentence. Likewise, here we cannot able to use elder. Instead, it is out of the family. We have to use older. Rohan is older than all the other boys of this area. Coming to the final thing, the use of the words as well as along with, together with, not less than, in addition to, not, and with. There the verb will be used according to the first subject. If the first subject is singular, we have to use singular verb. While if the first subject is plural, we have to use plural verb. We can see example for that. Ram as well as his 5 friends are going. Yes, it is wrong. The first subject is Ram, the second subject is 5 friends, and there is as well as in between. So we have to see the first subject. It is singular, so we have to use singular verb. We can see another example. The teacher along with the students were dancing is wrong because it is the first subject and the students is the second subject. In between we have the word along with, so we have to see the first subject. It is singular, so we have to use singular verb. Yes, it should be was going. The teacher along with the students was going is the correct sentence. And it's all about the part 2 video. We are winding up with this. I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Thank you for all your supports and do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Do share to your maximum if you find this video as a useful one. Thank you and see you all again.